What's up?
To make everything
Hey, you gonna borrow your
so
pen?
easy that I don't got to worry about a
Thanks.
thing. And baby, when we touch, all I can see is the image of us.
Thanks.
The ocean just before the dusk, sipping on a juice box with sand between our toes. And this is the part when we say we're in love, and the part where we have our first kiss. But this ain't a movie, I know you can't come with me. You got your life, he better be treating you right. Treating you right. Just tell me you don't love me. Tell me you don't feel the same way that I do. Tell me I don't make you smile like I do when you walk in the room. You're so hard to let go. Oh, and this is the part when we say we're in love, and the part where we say it's forever. But this ain't a fantasy, and no, you can't come with me. You got your life, he better be treating you right. You got your life, he better be treating you right. This hurts so much to know that you're with someone else when you should be with me. It's just hard to accept that I can't be around. He better be treating you good. I'm no Einstein, but I know a sign when I see one. And I know you love me too.
I don't hear anything.
They said, Jay, you deserve a break, but they don't understand. I wanna be a faithful man to my girl. If only they knew that I'm a changed man, I'm not who I was before. Finally found love, though you're so far away.